In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint. Keeping your app up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes, and the check only takes a moment. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's open, head to the top left corner and click the File tab. That opens the Backstage view, which is the area where you handle settings and account details rather than editing slides. On the left side of that screen, click Account. You'll see information about your Microsoft Office installation. On the right, look for the section labeled Office Updates. That's where PowerPoint manages updates across the Office apps installed on your device. Next to Office Updates, click Update Options. A small drop-down menu appears. From that menu, choose Update Now. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint will start checking Microsoft's servers for any available updates. Make sure you have an internet connection and keep the app open while it runs. If everything is already current, you'll get a confirmation letting you know you're on the latest version of Microsoft Office. If updates are available, PowerPoint will automatically download and install them for you. Depending on the size of the update, this might take a few minutes. You may be asked to save your work, close PowerPoint, or relaunch the app to finish the installation. That's normal, and it helps ensure the update applies correctly. If you're using a work device, some update options might be managed by your organization, so you may see limited choices here. A quick tip, it's a good idea to close large presentations or background-heavy apps before updating so your system can focus on the installation. Also, if you don't see the Office Updates section at all, you might be on a version of Office that's managed differently, and the updates could be handled automatically in the background. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can confirm you're running the latest version of PowerPoint and stay protected with the newest features and security updates. Try to check periodically so you don't miss improvements that make your daily work smoother. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, give the video a like, subscribe for more quick how-tos, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.